How to disable motivational messages on Duolingo. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off this feature. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the bottom, you'll be able to see this profile icon. Simply tap on this profile icon. Now, here on the right top, there's a settings icon. Tap on settings. So, we are in this settings interface. Here on the first, simply select preferences. So, this is the place where you can have or disable motivational messages. So simply tap it on. Now it has turned gray and it has been disabled. Now there won't be any motivational messages or even different text from Duolingo. So after you win or complete the lesson, it will directly move you forward without giving different motivational messages. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.